Roosevelt, Beltsville, Elk Ridge, Baltimore Washington Airport, Glen Burnie, Ellicott City, Aspen Hill, Arlington, Montgomery Village, Laurel, Fairland, White Oak, Redland, East Riverdale, and Delphi. Get indoors to protect yourself from wind and lightning. Trees around you may be down from damaging winds, so if you are near large trees, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Don't drive underneath trees or in wooded areas until the threat is past. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania.